Ocean adventures, exploring the amazing world of sea creatures. The ocean is like a big, watery world full of creatures big and small. Let's dive in and learn about the fascinating life that lives beneath the waves. First, there are fish. Fish come in all colors and sizes. Some fish, like clownfish, live in colorful coral reefs. Others, like sharks, roam the open ocean. Fish use their fins to swim and their gills to breathe underwater. Then, there are sea turtles. These gentle creatures glide gracefully through the water with their flippers. Sea turtles can live for a long time and travel thousands of miles across the ocean. Don't forget about dolphins and whales. These mammals are super smart and love to play in the waves. Dolphins leap out of the water and do flips, while whales sing beautiful songs underwater. And let's not leave out the tiny creatures like plankton and jellyfish. Plankton are like tiny plants and animals that drift with the ocean currents. Jellyfish have soft bodies and stinging tentacles to catch their prey. The ocean is also home to amazing habitats like coral reefs, where colorful fish dart in and out of hiding spots. And don't forget about the deep sea, where strange creatures like anglerfish and giant squids live in the darkness. Exploring ocean life is like going on an underwater adventure. There's so much to discover and learn about the creatures that call the ocean home. So, the next time you're at the beach, take a moment to appreciate the incredible world beneath the waves.
Explore the deep blue sea and meet amazing creatures like dolphins, sharks, turtles, and more. This audiobook takes kids on an exciting underwater journey while teaching fun facts about the ocean world in a simple, engaging way. Jellyfish don't have a brain, but they can still swim?
The answer is true.
Jellyfish don't have a brain, bones, or even a heart, but they float and wiggle around the ocean just fine. They're like squishy, glowing balloons under the sea. Fun fact: some jellyfish can even glow in the dark like tiny ocean lanterns.